Hello again, everyone. It's Julie Mercier, Carlisle Town Planner. Now we're going to talk about where we live, how we build, and why it matters for climate resilience. This is theme 4, housing and buildings. Carlisle's housing stock is unique. Big homes, big lots, and very limited diversity in housing types. And while our historic charm and rural setting are strengths, they come with resilience challenges. Oversized footprints, energy demands, limited walkability, and an aging population that may struggle with multi-story homes and car dependence. In this theme, we're tackling 4 actions. 1. Updating historic structures for resilience and energy efficiency. 2. Preserving existing structures to reduce emissions. 3. Promoting diverse, resilient housing options. And 4. Reducing the environmental footprint of large homes. Let's go. Is all about retrofitting Carlisle's historic structures to be more climate ready without sacrificing their historic character. We've got homes in the historic district, but also older structures town-wide. Many of these are beautiful, but drafty, hard to heat and cool, and hard to adapt. Right now, property owners face real barriers. Preservation rules can feel like they're blocking solar panels, heat pumps, or insulation upgrades. What we're proposing: to work with the Historical Commission to create clear guidance for climate upgrades that respect historic aesthetics, to provide technical assistance for homeowners looking to improve energy performance, to clarify and streamline the permitting process for renewable energy systems on historic properties. This is a medium-term action, but foundational. It supports social resilience by keeping older homes viable for families, energy resilience by improving performance, and carbon reduction by lowering emissions. We want to preserve what's historic and make it future ready. Action 13 is about the carbon you can't see, embodied carbon. Demolishing and rebuilding structures releases massive carbon emissions from the manufacture and transport of materials, especially concrete, steel, and insulation. Carlisle's development model is often tear down, build bigger. But this contributes to climate change, even if the new building is efficient. So here's the plan. Encourage adaptive reuse of existing homes and barns. Promote salvage and reuse of materials. And consider incentives to preserving older structures with updates rather than full teardown. This is an education and policy change action. We're exploring sample ordinances from other towns, outreach to realtors and developers, and green building guidance for remodels. This one's climate smart, and it supports our community character too. Action 14, one of the most cross-cutting, diverse housing options. Why? Because resilience isn't just about buildings, it's about people. Right now, 92% of Carlisle's homes are detached single-family houses. Most have 3 or more bedrooms. Many have 4 or more. That works for some, but not for everyone. Carlisle is aging. More than 21% of our population is over 65, and that will climb to over a third by 2030. Many residents are, or will be, looking for one-floor living, smaller homes, and walkable access to services and neighbors. But our current zoning doesn't make that easy. So, we're proposing zoning updates to allow smaller units, accessory dwellings, or clustered housing, encouraging co-housing or age-friendly housing models, and designing homes and neighborhoods for accessibility and connection. This enhances social resilience, people stay connected, disaster resilience, walkable access is key if driving isn't an option, and carbon reduction. Smaller, more efficient homes use less energy. It's also aligned with Carlisle's housing production plan and master plan. Finally, Action 15, reducing the footprint of Carlisle's largest homes. Let's be real, big homes mean big energy use. Many are heated with oil, cooled with older AC, and sit on large landscaped yards that require watering and maintenance. Our recommendation is simply to reduce the climate impact of larger homes. This action includes promoting all-electric new construction and retrofits, encouraging solar battery storage and heat pumps, reducing lawn sizes and encouraging native plantings, educating homeowners on passive cooling, insulation, and stormwater management. This connects back to Theme 1, Eco-Landscapes, but applies directly to private homes. We're not proposing mandates yet, but with the specialized opt-in building code and Carlisle's climate leader community status, we're positioned to lead on this. This action supports housing resilience, energy efficiency, and emissions reductions. So, let's review the 4 actions in this theme. 1. Retrofit historic homes to preserve heritage and improve energy efficiency. 2. Reduce emissions by reusing existing structures and materials. 3. Diversify our housing stock so residents of all ages and needs can thrive. And 4. Lower the footprint of large homes through design, landscaping, and technology. Together, these make Carlisle's built environment more resilient, more inclusive, and more sustainable.